All right, 6.4 homework day 2. This is number 10. Just giving you a little bit of help with it. My first thought on any division question on this test is I would try to make it into one radical. However, it does not work here because the indexes don't match. All right, so since that trick doesn't work, we're kind of stuck. And in general, in this chapter, if you're stuck, try switching the forms. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this with fraction exponents. In fact, it even says that in the directions. So I have a power of 2 and a root of 5, tree roots down, power up. And then same thing here, so power of 2 root of 10. Okay, and now the rule is when you divide like this, you subtract. Okay, and if you forget that, I just do like a simple problem without fractions. And just think, okay, that's x cubed, there's x to the first, cancel it out, and we'd have x squared. So the shortcut is you want to subtract the exponents. So our answer here is x to the 2/5 minus 2/10. Okay, and we're going to need a common denominator, but luckily it's pretty straightforward on this one because 2/10 is the same thing as 1/5. So I can do 2/5 minus 1/5. Okay, so that gives us x to the 1/5 power. 2/5 minus 1/5. Okay, and then if you have to rewrite that in the other form, it would be a root of 5 and a power of 1. So it gives us something like that. Sorry for the terrible handwriting, but it should be a 5th root of x is the right one for that. That's it. Thanks for watching.